Hello there, learners. I'm Ethan. How much do you know about your indoor plants? What are the benefits we could get from having them in our house or in the office? Today, we are going to learn more about your favorite and our favorite leafy buddies. We all know that plants releases oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. And we humans do the other way around. Does that mean opposite attract? Indoor plants come in different shapes and sizes, and colors too. They are known to have a lot of benefits. There are some other plants that are easy to grow. Some are sleep-inducing, and others are called to bring good luck. It only proves that not all plants are created equal. Indoor plants that are easy to grow like aloe vera, spider plant, snake plant, succulents, cactus, and pothos, to name a few. All these are easy to take care of. They don't need a lot of watering and easily propagated. In the process of photosynthesis, plants release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide only when there is a presence of sunlight. But during the night, respiration takes place, meaning plants uptake oxygen and release carbon dioxide. But there are other plants that release enough oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide 24/7. Those are the ones that can give us a better sleep. These plants purify the air even at night. Spider plant, aloe vera, money plant, snake plant, areca palm, peace lily, English ivy, bamboo palm, jade plant, jasmine, gerbera, chamomile, and lavender. All these are perfect for your bedroom. Other plants are considered lucky plants, like money tree, money plant, snake plant, rubber plant, jade plant, lucky bamboo, palm plant, potted orchids, and peace lily. How about you guys? What indoor plants do you have in your home? Is it not great that these plants that occupy space in your house are not just for visual beauty, but they're also good for our health? See you again next time. Have fun learning. Absorb. I'm talking slowly. But they're okay, Mom. Stop laughing. I'm recording here. Stop laughing, Mom. That these plants that occupy space